Hey, and welcome back to the HTML5 training course. Today I'm going to teach you how to code text elements. Alright, let's pull up your text editor. And I'm just going to do a save as from the metadata. So we have that already in there. And let's just say text elements. Okay. Now everything visible besides the title to a web page goes within the body here. So we're going to want our text elements in the body, and there are 6 different headings, and then there is a paragraph text element, and then there's also a span text element as well. And for the H1, I'm just going to run down and show you how these output. So let's start with an H1. And let's just say this is an H1 element. Now let's do it with H2. This is an H2 element. And just to be quicker, I'm going to copy this. This is going to be an H3. H4. And for SEO purposes, you want to always have an H1 somewhere on your page. And you don't want multiple. Google hates multiple H1s. Don't ask me why, but they just want it to be one, and kind of work your way excuse me, work your way down when you're making the web page. So if you have a kind of just like this, if you have lots of paragraph in here, to break it up, you're going to want to, you can use a different heading. So let's just put a paragraph. This is a paragraph element. We can put whatever we want here. If I could spell correctly. And let me just show you span. Span, I use it mostly when I want something different than a paragraph, where I can modify it quickly, put a class in here and change it up, or span. Obviously I'm not going to get into that now because I'm not going to touch into CSS yet. But just realize that for later. Spans are good for making them, if you want a font size to be small at the bottom of your page and you want it throughout all your pages, you can make a one span, copy it and paste it, use the same class, and it's going to work perfect. So let's go ahead and save this, and then let's generate it so we can see. Just click this little live preview button over here, and let's pull up. Kind of want to show you. Okay, see how I still have it metadata training? Let's just get back to that really quick, and I want to say this is text elements training. See? So it's changed up here, and that's where your title is. And then obviously you can see H6s I hardly ever use. I really don't go past H4. If anything is smaller than that, I either put it in a span class, a span element, and then change up the CSS, because I just feel like 6 and 5 are pretty small. I mean, a paragraph, you can see a paragraph is bigger than the H5 element. So, but yeah, and that is that for the text elements. And just make sure, again, for SEO purposes, keep an H1 somewhere this be a heading, the about page or contact us or something. Use that widely on your pages at the top. Always, just have them at the top and have just one, and then work your way down to NH2 and NH3 with your, this might need it to be, call out another paragraph or something here, catch users' attention, maybe within a paragraph, so you call it NH3. But if you're going to do it within a paragraph, I suggest making it a span element, and yeah, and it works out great. All right, well, thanks for watching.